The Uni-Guide actuators incorporate a dual design system that enhances the well-established linear motion capabilities of the standard Uni-Guide series. This series is engineered to reduce component count, simplifying assembly and integration while ensuring smooth, maintenance-free operation throughout the system's lifespan. Combines the functionality of a guide and actuator in one unit, streamlining the application process and reducing the need for multiple components. Equipped with a FrelonGOLD liner, these actuators thrive in challenging environments by reducing the need for maintenance and enhancing durability. Available in 3 slide widths, 75, 100, and 125 millimeters, accommodating a variety of application scales and requirements. Provides flexibility and customization with pre-cut rails and carriages, facilitating quick and precise installation. Designed as an easy drop-in unit that requires no alignment, which significantly reduces the setup time and simplifies the overall installation process. Supports various NEMA motor sizes, 17, 23, and 34, allowing for versatile motor integration based on specific power needs. Includes options for a handbrake and a hand crank, offering manual control capabilities for specialized applications.